There's no doubt that crypto is the hottest thing there is in the last few years. And before you think, I don't mess with that stuff, we're not talking about buying it or you even trading it. The big boys in crypto don't buy coins on decentralized exchanges. They own the exchanges. And now you can do the same. See how you can benefit from crypto without you worrying about what it does, by clicking the link below. We're talking about the owners of platforms like Coinbase and Binance. They rake in millions even in a bear market. They earn passively from the activities of people who visit their platforms. They get paid from transaction fees, ads, games, staking. And remember, this is all passive. Once the platform is up and running, there is no need to tend to it. It works in the background and they get paid every day whether they want to or not. Amazingly, this brand new software will set up your own decentralized exchange in 2 minutes flat. You don't have to do anything other than purchase and activate the software. The rest is done for you. Everything from the members area and admin dashboard to you getting paid is already pre-configured. And it comes with an inbuilt affiliate system that rewards users for sending you free traffic so you can incentivize people to send you floods of visitors. If you want to learn and earn, check out the demo and see the results others are already getting by clicking the link below. They won't leave this open for long at a one-time cost, which is less than a meal for two, so be quick. God bless you and all your loved ones. And have a great day. Signing off. Pedro Robert.